Welcome to the quick and easy Get Started with SketchUp online tutorial. Right, so you start out with a blank screen with this nice woman here. Over here on the left are your tools. Let's take a line tool. Pick the normal line. Now notice that down in the lower left it says what to do. Select start point. Alright, so I'm going to select a start point. One thing you need to get used to in SketchUp is you don't usually click and drag, you click and click. So my second click will end the line. And look down the lower right, you see it's giving me the length of the line. That's how you can just set exact lengths. Right now I'm going along the floor, so it's on the green axis. If I tilt it up, make it it's on the blue of the vertical, and likewise on the side to side, the red axis. Let's go back to the green axis. I'm going to click at 6 feet. Let's say I want it to be 7 feet. Now, with the lower right box where it says length, you can just type something. Well, let's make it 8 feet. 8 single quote means feet, and enter, and it adjusts the length. The last thing you did, you can adjust the dimensions of things that way. Alright, so over here are the panels, and one that's sort of useful is the Instructor Panel, which gives you a little tutorial on each tool. I'm going to close that for now, but it's good to know it's there. Alright, so let's see. Let's talk about moving around. Let's make another line first. Let's make a line in each dimension, in each plane. So I'll do this one on the vertical plane, which is the blue one. And what's left? The red one. I'm going to hit escape to get rid of the tail. We'll do one on the red. Okay, so we're working in 3D here. To move around, the most useful thing is called the orbit tool. This one, the spinny top thing. If you have a 3-button mouse with a scroll wheel, you're happy because you can do all this stuff without clicking. But you can see that yeah, it sort of makes sense visually, 3D. Let's do a polygon. Let's do a normal rectangle. Now, right now I'm on the green, which is going to be sort of a front window to this. It's on the front. If I click and click, we get a window like a square, yeah, a rectangle. Okay, so what if I wanted to do one on the back, one on the other wall? Staying green. There are two solutions to that. One is to rotate using orbit so that it's more in the front. And now this is going to be, right now it's offering me red, which would be, red is going to be the back wall. Okay. What if I wanted to do a different plane than the one I'm looking at? If you hold down press the up arrow key, you switch between planes. I want this one to be on the blue plane, which is the floor, even though I'm not looking down at the floor. So I click, click. I change the plane with the up arrow. So now if we orbit and look at that, you'll see that that thing we just made is actually parallel to the floor. Okay, that's sort of useful. There's another tool in here for navigating around called Pan, which is the hand, and it's for going side to side. To go in and out, the easiest thing to do is use a scroll wheel on a mouse or a 2-finger slide up and down on the mouse pad on your laptop. Okay, so let's do some other cool stuff. Another really neat tool is push-pull. You grab the normal push-pull, you can press any plane and push it or pull it. Endless fun here. So let's say we wanted to put the woman on a stage. Let's grab a polygon, and looking down the lower right, it tells you what to do. Select center point, use option, blah blah blah. And on the right it says side 6. Let's change sides to 10. I didn't need to click over there, I just typed it in. And now I want this to be on the floor. I'm going to do it at the center point. Alright, got a little stage going here, a little podium. Now, to give it some depth, I'm going to go push-pull it. All right, she's on a stage. She's in the hot tub. Let's go with the hot tub. Let's see, what else do we want to show you? That's the first tutorial. That's enough to get you going and make a crazy house. Try, experiment, use the instructor panel, and have fun. Thanks.